Hi guys, now we talking about the bird called African Harrier hawk. Key features: specializes in flying very slowly, nearly stalling, while scanning the ground for its small prey. Unique double-jointed knees allow it to grab victims from deep inside holes, cracks and crevices. Its broad wings, long tail and long legs present a large, formidable figure despite its small size. Where are they in the world? Found only in Africa, South Africa, east to Natal, north to Botswana, northern Namibia, Zimbabwe and Mozambique, then north to the Sahara Desert. Life cycle. The African Harrier hawk is like many other raptors except for its unfeathered face, which blushes to a deep red when startled or during mating displays. Breeding. Courtship for the African Harrier hawk occurs in the air. At the onset of the breeding season, the pair can be seen soaring together in displays flights involving solo dives and upwards swoops accompanied by drawn-out whistles. These displays usually end in a long glide to the next area. The stick nest is built in a tree by both sexes, usually from 30 to 150 feet from the ground, and is lined with green leaves. Usually 2 eggs are laid and both sexes incubate. After about 35 days, the eggs hatch it at different intervals and the younger sleeping usually dies of starvation as its older sleeping takes all the food. Habitat. The African Harrier hawk frequents a variety of landscapes throughout its range in Central and Southern Africa, including forest, woodland, and savanna. It is most often found at the top of tall trees fringing the larger rivers or in hilly country where there are deep ravines and steep hillsides. Behavior. The African Harrier hawk's most unusual behavior is that it blushes, whereas most raptors have feathered faces. This hawk's face is unfeathered to assist it in probing into holes for food. Unexpected disturbances such as a branch snapping can trigger the face to blush a deep red. Encounters between breeding pairs also result in blushing. This is believed to represent an appeasement signal, especially during courtship, and switches in incubation duty. Food and hunting. The African Harrier hawk seeks out elusive prey with its ability to bend its leg forward and backward. This hawk can reach deep into holes or crevices and grab prey that is safe from other raptors. The African Harrier hawk shows a variety of hunting skills. It climbs around on the branches of trees using its wings for balance. It hangs upside down for long periods of time as It explores nooks and crannies for a hidden meal. It soars slowly along the edge of hillsides and ravines and scans carefully for potential prey. Unlike other raptors, this hawk is not a very powerful bird and normally settles for prey about as large as a lizard. In certain parts of its range, the African Harrier hawk is known to eat the fruit of the oil palm, but mostly its diet consists of lizard, small birds, insects, and rodents. Profile of the African Harrier hawk. The African Harrier hawk is uniquely equipped for a life as a stealthy hunter. It has extremely keen vision for locating elusive prey. Bill. The hawk's hooked bill is used to tear the fish of its prey. Its nostrils are protected by a soft membrane called the cirri. Legs and feet. The hawk's interstitial joints or knee can bend backwards and forward, allowing the bird to reach deep into holes to snatch prey. Wings. The long broad wings paired with a small body give this hawk its exceptional ability to sail slowly near the ground or the edges of hillsides while scanning for prey. Conservation. Although population members are unknown, the African Harrier hawk is fairly common throughout its entire range and is not currently in danger. As are all members of the hawk family, the African Harrier hawk is protected by law from hunters and is not allowed to be kept without a permit. The African Harrier hawk and the other members of its genus, the Madagascar Harrier hawk, are both listed in Appendix 2 of CITES, are not allowed to be exported. You must know these tips also. The African Harrier hawk is also known as the gymnogen, which means bare cheeks. Only found on the island of Madagascar, the Madagascar Harrier hawk is sometimes considered to be just a subspecies of the African Harrier hawk. The African Harrier hawk is opportunistic raider, chasing, spotting an agama lizard on the ground. The Harrier hawk swoops down to try to snatch the lizard with its outstretched talons. Wedge. Falling to catch the lizard, the hawk pushes its head into the rock crevice and grabs the lizard with its bill. Hang. Flapping its wings for balance, the hawk hangs upside down by one foot and reaches into weaver's nest with the other. Raid. Bending its leg backward, the African Harrier hawk is able to reach deep into the nest to snatch a nestling. Vital statistics. Weight about 2 pounds. Length 22 to 25 inches. Wingspan about 5 feet. Sexual maturity is unknown. Breeding season spring and summer. Number of young Usually two, but only one survives. Incubating period about 35 days. Fledging period 49 to 60 days. Breeding interval 1 year. Typical diet: lizards, birds, insects, and rodents. Lifespan is also unknown. Thanks for watching the video and learn about African Harrier hawk. You can learn more about birds in the future videos. If you value this video, please subscribe, share and like. Thank you very much.